Hey y'all, it's Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the June 2022 VillaBeauTIFFul subscription kit titled Here Comes the Sun or Summer Solstice. If you are interested in seeing what's in here, go ahead and stay tuned. Let me slide this stuff out over here. As usual, everything comes packed in this cute little kit envelope. So that's that. Let's start with what's here on the top. And we have these sticky notes. It's a notepad. It's not sticky notes. It's my understanding that these notes fit perfectly in the VillaBeauTIFFul inserts. If you didn't know, VillaBeauTIFFul now has her own planner, and that's out. So on the layout, on the bottom of the layout, they're not sticky notes. I'm going to keep saying that. This notepad fits perfectly. Obviously you'd need to use double-sided tape, but they are super cute. I love the whole color scheme of this box, but especially this notepad. We've got a priority and a checklist, and then we've got these 4 boxes over here. So this is the notepad. Next up, we have some transparent shape flags. Y'all, I feel like I haven't unboxed or received a VillaBeauTIFFul kit in a long time, and it's been a long time. So we have these 3 shapes. We have these regular flags. We have the larger flag. And then we have this shape, this rounded shape. So these are the transparent page flags, shape flags. I don't know why I want to say page flags. I love to rename people's stuff, right? Clearly. Next up, we have these stickers. I guess it's a separate sticker pack from the sticker book that typically comes in a VillaBeauTIFFul kit. So these are white matte. This is page 4. It says variety shapes. Again, this kit is called Solstice. Fill in boxes. We've got AM, PM, to do, appointment today, note, and I love the foil on here. Let's see if you guys can get an up close. It's like a bronzy gunmetal colored foil. It's super pretty. Then we have these round stickers. We have these post-it notes. This is a clear matte sheet, and these are abstract shapes. Another clear matte sheet. We've got these shapes. These are script words: bill due, payday to do, reminder, errands, clean, plan today, buy, and work. And then y'all, we got some date dots up here, squares down here. I love when people give us this stuff, y'all. We need functionals, y'all. We got to use them. We got to have them. So this is a sticker pack. Next, we have the sun catcher and vinyl stickers. That's different. Okay, so this is a sun catcher. Both of these are sun catcher, like a window cling. So you would attach those to window, car window, etc. There are some instructions back here. And it says the sun catchers: to create happy rainbows, place the decal on an east, west, or south facing indoor window. Sun catchers need direct sunlight to work properly. The appearance and intensity of the rainbow effect depend on the weather, the sun's movement, the decal's placement, and the time of the day and year. And then there are some instructions. Clean the glass window to create a dust-free surface, then spray some water on the window. Peel the decal and place the static electricity side on the glass. When you are satisfied with the decal's position, use a credit card to gently squeegee out any air bubbles and water. Step back and enjoy the rainbows. To remove, gently peel it off. So these are the 2 window decals, the sun catchers. And then we have these vinyl stickers. See the good? That's pretty, y'all. Hello sunshine, and write it down. Ooh, cute, cute, cute. So this is our sun catcher plus vinyl stickers set. Super cute. Let me put these away before they start sliding off the desk. Okay. Next up, let's jump into our sticker book, y'all. Oh my goodness, it's been a long time since I saw a VillaBeauTIFFul sticker book. So again, this kit is the June 2022 kit titled Solstice. We have this bronzy gold in it, this bronzy foil in it. It is super pretty, y'all. So we've got our full boxes: Sunshine on My Mind, Golden Hour, Positive Vibes, There is Sunshine in My Soul Today. And then we have these shapes up here. We've got some quarter boxes and some icons. And then we've got some more full boxes, checklists. Then we have our half boxes and some quarter boxes down at the bottom. This sheet has our headers, little things, don't forget, errands, reminder, urgent, get it done. We've got some more skinny headers. We've got some scalloped headers. We've got some oval headers. And then we have some double wide boxes here. Here we have our habit trackers, 2 sets of date covers, and then this is what I call our mini kit. So this has pretty much what's in the rest of the kit, what's in the rest of the sticker book, but in the smaller size or smaller planners. We've got our 2 double wide boxes, pay bill stickers, some page flags, and some hexagons. Cute, cute. I actually love that the hexagons got a little smaller, because I don't know if you remember in previous sticker books, they were pretty big. And then this is a clear matte sheet. We just got some functional shapes here. Is that rain? That's rain coming down. And then here we have some more clear stickers. We have our pen of the month, as well as some deco. And then, uh-oh, it came out. I guess it was supposed to. Here we have the bronze foil quote sheet, I guess you could say. Shine all day, every day. Under the sun, good things are coming. Think positive. Weekend is calling. Be the sunshine. Encourage yourself. Light and love. Sunshine on my mind. Rise and shine. Focus on the good. You're so golden. And then we have the same sheet in this orange color. And then that is it for the sticker book. So that is the Solstice sticker book. Next we have this journaling card that came within the kit this month with this pretty bronze gold on the edges and the font. So that's cute. Let's jump into this washi, y'all, because oh goodness, it's been a while since we got some clear tape washi. And if you've been around or subscribed to my channel for long, you know I've got some throwbacks from VillaBeauTIFFul. Oh, y'all, look at that. I didn't even unroll it, and look how pretty it is. So it looks like we have the 15 and then the matching 7.5. This is too big to be a 5, so that's got to be a 7.5 millimeter. So let's go ahead and open this sucker up. Oh, y'all, look at that. That is pretty, y'all. Y'all, and it's got like an ombre effect. Y'all, that is so pretty. And then we have the 7.5 that has a different pattern, but the same. Ooh, y'all, look at this washi. Tiffany really showed her behind this month, excuse me. So these are our 2 washi tapes. Last but not least, y'all, let me show y'all this pen, because baby, she is beautiful. I'm always here for the gold pens, for the metal pens in general. Y'all, look at her. Gold metallic paint, yellow and orange and champagne colored crystals in there. She is gorgeous, y'all. Naturally, she comes with black gel ink, and VillaBeauTIFFul does sell refills in her shop for these pens. So that is this month's pen, and of course it comes with the refill. Alright, y'all, so we had our sticker book, we had the sun catcher and vinyl stickers, our journaling card, our pen, of course, because what is a VillaBeauTIFFul kit without the pen and the refill? We had 2 rolls of washi. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, an 8-sheet sticker pack. We had the notepad. We had the transparent shape flags. And that was all. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.